Yeah, I got stuff on the heat press, stuff in the chair, boxes. About to go through. Check this one out. Y'all gonna love these. These are one of ones. So I'm only making pretty much one. And each size, but each one will have its own characteristics. See? So y'all might see this one and be like, oh yeah, he had that city shirt on. That was dope. And then next day, somebody rocking this one. They don't even realize. Yeah, they may look similar. They may look similar, but no, two shirts are alike. I went more detail with the city on this one, and you know, even though on this one I wrapped it all the way around, and it's only a gap like between the, it ain't even really a gap between them two buildings right there. I could have put a swing set in or something in between there. That's dope. With the rhinestones on the back, and then see, that's hologram, y'all. So it's gonna do all sorts of things in the light. That's hologram. While this one right here, that's good old foil. Yeah, I thought they was the same, but they not. Even though side by side, or if I wore one on one day and one on the other day, you'll be like, man, he just wore the same shirt 2 days in a row. Let me show you again. Let me show you another example on how you may think like, oh, he just wore the same shirt 2 days in a row, right? Yeah, this is a good one right here. This one still got the tape on it. Check this one out. Alright, so I take the tape off of it. I got them stones. Dance, dance. Alright, check that out. Diamond Club, Cincinnati, Ohio. I believe this is a 2XL. So if you a 2XL, know somebody fit a 2XL, hit me up. This one is available, right? So he might wear this one day, right? And then next day he pop out with this one. Like, hold on. He just had the same shirt on 2 days in a row. No, this one has on, the sweater is like golden underneath with clear rhinestones on top, and the city in the background is all golden. While this one, he has the white underneath the SS10 clear rhinestones, and the city in the background is still golden. All right, let's move right along. Hold on, because it's a lot. So wait a minute. This one is a 2XL, and this one is a 2XL. So, you know, if you know somebody wear a 2XL, this can be a combo deal, you know. Camera showing blurred. It's still showing blurred, Andrew? Because it looks clear to me. Let me wipe this thing off. It's still showing blurred? Let me know. I'm wasting my time. Hey, what's going on? Drea? Is the camera still showing blurry? I thought everything was shining on my end. Let me know, y'all. What's going on? We got, it's pixelated. Oh, wow. Let me see here. Hold on.